Good morning. Trader Roshi here. We are 5 minutes away from market open. Let's go over futures and see how they are currently performing. Let's see. All right. Look like index futures are currently lower, with the Nasdaq being about break even right now, at break even on the session. All indices were lower overnight before popping to the upside, and they are lower once again. Australian dollar is hella lower, down 0.4%. Euro is down 0.2%. Canadian dollar dropping as well, could be dropping with crude oil. Let's see, 6J down 1.4%. Goodness, all right. Metals, gold 1.3% lower, copper higher right now, but mostly trading lower all night, and silver down 2% currently. Crude oil currently down 5.66%, or $6.37. Heating oil down 4.5%, natty gas down 1.6%, and RBOB down 4%. So we're seeing weakness in energy so far this morning. Grains, corn 1.4 lower, soy 1.14 lower, and wheat the lowest of the low, I believe, yes, down 3.43%. T-note futures, you can see we were opened up lower, pushed green, red overnight. Now we're about break even. Yields currently, let's see, 2-year, 5-year are higher, 10 and 30 are lower. And cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin 6.22% higher, 47,575 is what the futures are currently trading at. And Ethereum up 7.24%, 33.75 is where the futures are currently trading. And that is it for the Market Watch. All right, so happy Monday. We have 3 minutes until market opens. I took one trade in crude oil this morning, and perfectly sums up Monday in my opinion. Let me just scroll back a little bit. I got in here for the breakout to test yesterday's, or not yesterday, to be prior session, so Friday's low. I got in just a couple minutes too early. Got in, got kicked out for an L, and then we had the move I was looking for. And crude oil has been selling off since then. We had a pretty decent bear flag form right here. Lately, crude in the mornings, right at open, it's kind of dead. So I'll keep watching crude, but I don't expect there to be a move in crude for the first couple of minutes at least for market open. And yeah, let's see. Let's check out Bookmap. About the same, dead. As hell has been like pre-open, right before open, the last few weeks. I do want to look at. Man, I forgot. I don't remember. I don't remember what I wanted to look at. Sorry, it's Monday. I wanted to look at something. I don't remember what. So let's see. Let's come up here to micro-Nasdaq and see what the candlestick chart is looking like. All right, here's the 10-minute chart. Lower, higher. Finding buyers right here just off VWAP. I wouldn't be surprised if we, when we opened here in 5 seconds, if we tested the VWAP right here before moving higher. That's it. Market is open currently. Nothing much on Bookmap. Crude currently trading at 106.25. Natty, or not natty gas. Goddamn, it is a Monday. I'm telling y'all. Micro-Nasdaq pushing higher. So far at open, we haven't gotten that test that I was thinking that we might get. I'm just watching my top monitor for Bookmap right now, trying to see what's going on. Yeah, micro-Nasdaq just gonna try and figure out what it wants to do right now. We got a little pop at open, but hasn't done anything since. I remember what I wanted to do now. I want to look at daily volume. 273,000 contracts in micro-Nasdaq traded. Not too impressive. I think that's roughly about normal, I think. The best days are when it's already several 100,000 contracts traded by open. Leads the way to a lot of volatility and more movement. But we've had lower volume recently. Alright, Bookmap's starting to fill out a little bit up to the top side there. Let's see, we might penetrate this area. We do have a good cluster, but I'm unsure of it right now. I'd rather wait a minute and check it out. Just looking at this error that I'm getting on YouTube. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffering. I don't like that. Seems like it's always something on YouTube right now. So far, not able to penetrate that upper level, acting as resistance. Crude oil 105.80. I'm going to go check that out in the candlestick real quick. I think we're about to break above on micro-Nasdaq. Oops. Clicked MBT by accident. Micro-Nasdaq still not able to penetrate that right up here, all that liquidity that's currently acting as a resistance level. Let's see. I was just about to hop in a long, but it took me just a little too long to get into the long. So we're through. Now let's see what happens now that we're through this liquidity. Still got upward liquidity up here, so I'm watching that. But look how so far there's no real follow through. That could be changing right now. But and we do have this cluster above price, right around here. So it looks like we're gonna go up. Oh, trying to move my mouse. Couldn't figure out where my cursor was. Multi-monitor problems, am I right? All right. Now I think we're getting somewhere. All right, let's see. Yeah, I'm definitely interested in getting in along. We're getting close to the prior session high right up here at 841. We're so close I could see us hitting that. I really just it's the entry. I gotta try and get a great entry in. I'm liking it. Let's take a long. All right, moving to break even right now. All right, kicked out at break even. That's all right. I still think that we're gonna touch prior session high at 841. That's what I was going for. Probably turn break even on a little too early there. Yeah, cause see there now we're getting the pop. So I turned my break even on just a little too soon. Let me make sure I'm not in a position. Okay. Nah, I'm good. I'm good. Sorry, a little worried. So I quit using Thinkorswim a long time ago to trade futures. Just at that point, it was just because there are day trading brokers out there that have day trade margins. Thinkorswim requires the full amount of margin. Okay, no biggie. I understand. But so a long time ago, I switched to Ninjatrader, and so since being on Ninjatrader, I've switched back to Thinkorswim, one more time to trade futures, and let's see. Sorry, I'm trying to watch the screen. I'm trying to talk a little bit. So anyway, I switched back to Thinkorswim to trade futures once. I didn't like their order executions, like their ATMs, their bracket orders. They're really a lot more confusing than they need to be, because Ninjatrader makes it so simple. I can very easily tell if I'm in a trade or not with Ninjatrader. Not so much with Thinkorswim. I mean, I know you can, but with the bracket orders, they're just a lot more confusing. So last year, I lost some money trading crude oil on Thinkorswim, so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna switch back to Ninjatrader. I like their interface more. See, what's got me fucked up, this says -8 stop. I don't get that. I don't have any open orders, do I? I don't have any open orders. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know why it's showing that -8. No clue why it's showing that. It's kind of throwing me off. I don't have, but anyway, fuck it. I keep getting distracted. So anyway, their bracket orders confused me last year. I lost some money trading crude. Not much. It was all right, but it was enough that it made me want to switch back to a simpler platform like Ninjatrader. And so I had been using Thinkorswim to trade options. Right? Not much leverage, not much money in the account. So anyway, Thursday. Well, let me go back. So I use a desktop app to enter positions on Thinkorswim, and I have to use my phone to exit out, mark it out, because their active trader tab isn't designed for options. So whenever I would go to close sell order, market sell order on Thinkorswim to close my long option position, it wouldn't work. I clicked flatten, it wouldn't work. My position would still be open. I think we're about to continue upwards. But yeah, so because I have to use my phone to exit the positions, I can't exit on the Thinkorswim app quickly, conveniently, like I'd like. I went to close position Thursday. I was 5 contracts long on some puts, QQQ puts.